Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing us how to install font in Pixellab without using Zarchiver. Most of us believe that we need to download the app so we can install font, but here I'm going to show you how to download and install font without the Zarchiver. So join me. If you are new to this channel, I'd like you to like this video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I drop the next video. Alright, let's dive in. So I'll go to the Chrome app. Now if I want to download the font, let's say I'm using that font, for instance dafont.com. okay, let's wait for it to load. Alright, here it has loaded and you can see the font here. So assuming you want to download adorable handmade, you just have to come to this download button over here and click on it. Now the font begins to download automatically, and when it's done downloading, and we can see it here in our file. Let me open it so we see. Now you can see the font here, it's already downloaded, adorable handmade. So I'll show us how we can install the font without downloading or using the Zarchiver. Alright, so now let's go to my files in Google. That is where we'll be using. This app is built into every Android device, so you can use it without you downloading the Zarchiver. Now you click on the download button and you will see your font which you downloaded. You see the font which you downloaded here. It comes as a zip file, so you click on it and you extract the font from it. Wait for it to extract. When it's done, it's done, and you will see it will appear, the font will appear outside the zip file. It will appear outside the zip file. Alright, now you can see that the font has appeared here. So now we'll go to Pixellab. Okay, let's go to Pixellab. So I'll show you how to install it. Come over here to this. You click the default so you go directly without wasting time. Now click on the font. Click on my font. Come over here, click on this button by your right. Then scroll to where you have download. Towards scroll to where you find adorable handmade. This is it. So this is the font. As soon as I click it, I add the selected font. And now this is it. Adorable handmade. And here is the font you just downloaded. Right. So you can see it's very easy. You don't need to download the Zarchiver anymore. You can easily do this without any stress at all of any kind. So you can see the font which you just downloaded, adorable handmade. Just exactly the same as what we downloaded. It's pretty easy to follow the simple step and download the font. I do hope you had an interesting time, and I want you to share this video so that others can also benefit.